So we're turning this
I want to go fast
into this. The car started its life as a 1989 BMW E30. Insert photos. It's gone from that to a pretty wild race car build. I'm gonna take you for a little journey through what we've done.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
This is my 1989 BMW E30. Started life pretty stock, like it was owned by a grandpa or something. I bought it about 5 years ago, 5,000 bucks Australian. It now, hopefully, will be a fire-breathing monster. We've got BMW S50 B30 out of an E36 M3, forged internals, Carrillo pistons, PPM rods, engine girdle, ARP, everything, and I mean everything. We've got a PPF intake from the guys over in Sweden, Nuke fuel rail, Bosch 1000cc injectors, 3582R turbo, custom built 3.5 dump pipe into a Turbo Smart wastegate, along with a Turbo Smart fuel regulator, and there's a Turbo Smart blow off valve. It's not on right now, but it lives right here. We've got Raceworks AN lines everywhere, Raceworks breather, Raceworks HD clamps. It's got a custom loom from Rama at RHD. It's got an ECU master. It's got a power tune digital dash. It's not quite in yet. We've got some VS XX rims that I found in the States somewhere and had them sent over. Yellow Racing 4-piston calipers with the matching rotors. We have IRP angle kit. We have Drift HQ handbrake, Garagistic short shifter. We've got a bit of a mess in the car right now. Sorry about that. We've got AGI roll cage, real fake Recaro, ECU master, ECU down there under the mess, the laptop to tune it. We've got a 3.5-inch stainless exhauster built. We've got dual Walbro 360 litre per hour pumps in this Fuel Pro tank. We've got a new lift pump in the tank. We've got a jack under it. And we've got all of it. Everything, all the good bits. All we need now is me to learn how to drive it. So today we're going to make sure base timing is right. So I've pulled out the radiator, as you can tell. There is a marking next to the crank angle sensor that we need to check with the timing light and get it to turn over. It's a two-man job, unfortunately, so I'm gonna have to get someone to come and help me. But we're just gonna make sure the timing's set. On the ECU, it's locked at 10 degrees. I'll make sure it's cranking at 10 degrees. If not, we can change it to set that. It should be ready to start after that. So fingers crossed, we get that sorted. Check the timing, timing's right. I know we've got fuel, I know we've got spark. Let's just cut to a time lapse and go.
Few moments later.
So we've pulled the radiator out, radiator's out. I've just disconnected all the injectors, so we don't have them trying to spark and start the thing while we're checking the timing with no radiator in it. Radiator's out. If you see, I don't know if you can see under there, next to the crank angle sensor, there's a little line that lines up with the degrees on the harmonic balancer to tell you what timing's at. You just need to hit it with a timing light, which is connected to cylinder 1. So when it's at top dead center, the light will fire. It's at top dead center, the light will fire, it'll flash, and then you'll be able to line up the toothed wheel with the marking. I know on the ECU it says it's locked at 10 degrees. On the log though, it's saying ignition angle 10 degrees. Well, unfortunately, battery's dead, chargers no good, and yeah, another day. Let's try tomorrow.